Hi, this is Bruce, and in this video we're going to look at how to add a layout using Bootstrap 4's layout grid, which itself uses Flexbox. In the last video we got started by setting up a page with the CSS and JavaScript that we needed in order to run Bootstrap 4, and now we're going to add the grid. So I've gone and I've clicked on the layout section, and we can take a look at how that works. But essentially, and if I click on over here at the grid, we can see that the way the grid works is by using columns and breakpoints that are designated by small, medium, large, and extra large with breakpoints at these pixels. So it starts off mobile first, and as the width of the device or the window gets bigger, then we can enhance our layout by using the grid. So I'm going to zip on down to here. How about this one? And we'll copy this code so I can see this particular segment has 2 rows. The top row is divided into 2 columns, one that is 8 columns wide and the other one is 4. And the bottom row is divided into 3 columns of equal width with a small breakpoint. So that, in other words, anything underneath 540 pixels, it will go into one column. So I'm going to go back to Dreamweaver, and I'm going to paste that in below, and let me just indent so we can see our rows. And if I save that and upload it, then we can see online that we do in fact have those columns and rows. But in order to make it a little easier to see, let's add a little bit of CSS. And in the CSS, you can see that I've already written it. I'm cheating a little bit, but I've added a background color of light gray to the 8 column section. And then I've added a little bit of a darker color of gray to every other of the smaller columns. And if we come back to our page and refresh, it makes it a little easier to see our column breakdown. So you can see the column that's 8 wide here and 4 wide on the right, and then the 3 equal columns. Now if we take our browser and make it small, so we're getting once we get under 540 pixels, then you can see it going from a multi-column layout to a single stacked column layout. Hope this helps.